A 7-Eleven challenge, guys.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making slime. Me,
Fine.
Stefan, and Kendra. Are you going to help Stefan? Yeah. And Ash. Okay, number one, put your entire white glue in your container. How much glue? 4 ounces, the whole thing.
The whole thing? It makes pigs noise. Oh, I know. It makes pigs noise.
Yeah.
Make pig noise.
Okay, then you pick your food coloring color you want, if you want a color.
I want to pick one.
Okay. I'm gonna do purple.
I'll do pink. This one pink.
No, we're doing blue.
That's blue. You
Not a
and
ton.
Ah!
Here.
We need something to
you
stir.
beep.
Yes.
There's your fork for stirring.
You're gonna put it. Look, you gotta stir your color.
That match.
Whoa!
Oh. Okay, make sure it's gonna.
I don't know mine's pink.
Keep going.
Mine's pink. Pink, pink. This pink.
It'll lighten up too with the more.
Whoa,
All
Stefan.
right, that's enough. Ooh, look at Aunt Ethan's.
Mine's too. Look at
I
mine,
know,
guys.
I love that.
You
All
can,
right, give mommy the
Oh.
food coloring.
you can touch it. You can touch it.
Not yet.
Nope,
Yes.
no more.
Look at my hand.
Next step.
Look at my hand. Red.
There you go.
Like bleed.
Like bleed? Like blood?
Yeah.
Blood! Okay, number next. Add then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this.
The 2 kids can do that, or
Yeah.
mommy can help me.
Whoop. Just a second.
Ooh, look at mine. What's this for? That Melly? Guys, someone help me.
Wait.
My fork's not staying up.
Yeah.
Mine's not staying up forever. Anyone help me? Ah!
Don't let it. There. Okay, right in there.
And then you stir it in.
Water. Stir up.
There you go. All right, stir it up.
Oh no, my fork fell in.
Oh, bam.
Ooh, look at it. It looks weird.
Slime.
Not yet. It's not slime yet.
First you
Ew, looks snotty.
Mine's, oh, ew, mine's like snotty. Mine's snotty.
Just stir it.
Mine's snotty.
Stir until well combined.
I stir it. Mine's pink.
Yeah.
My fork is pink. My fork is pink. Oh, Stefan's blue.
Stefan's really blue.
Whoa. Mine.
Now we're gonna add shaving cream.
Savory free.
Shake it and then. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, push it.
Why did you put that on it?
It makes it a slime.
Okay, push it.
Then you stir it.
Okay, let's.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Big one! Big one! Make me a big one!
Oh, it already feels like marshmallowy.
Oh, no.
smells good.
Whoa! Look at my finger.
Stefan, I don't know if your bowl's big enough.
Mine's big enough.
I don't think I added enough
Big
food
one.
coloring to mine.
Okay.
Stir until you can no longer stir it, then knead with your hands. It'll be sticky at first, but keep moving it with your hands until it's no longer sticky.
Ooh, look at these. Really?
Okay, you gotta keep mixing it, bud.
Whoa.
Knead in your hands until no longer sticky.
Stefan. On me. Stefan, on me. Fingers. That's for me. Hey, I'm on Stefan's on me.
You want to do yours, Kendra?
Aww.
It's okay, we'll get it off.
You want to do
Flavor
that
first?
with yours?
Yeah.
You gotta mix it.
Make it. Bigger.
Here's your slime. It's getting less sticky.
Oh my God. Someone help me. Ew.
You.
Ew, it's slime.
Someone help me.
Look.
I can stick. It's sticking. It's stuck.
What do you mean no? Look at. Mommy,
You're
hop
stuck.
over.
Oh, it's yours. Yeah.
And here's yours.
What?
Mine's barely purple.
Yours farty.
Stefan!
Yours farty.
Here.
Yours farty.
Yeah.
Put it on here.
Why yours farty?
Oh, look. Oh, poop. They touch. Look. Oh, man, this stuff is really sticky.
Yay!
Wow, look.
That looks so good. Show the camera.
I like it.
Stefan, I want a towel here.
I like it now. Now I touch it.
Yep.
Whoa! Sticky. Juggle.
Hey, Stefan put
Soft.
so much blue in this.
Yeah.
Whoa!
It looks like a dead man hands. Huh?
What's farting?
Show the camera your hands.
So sparkly. Under here like this.
Nah. Look how.
You need a towel?
Where's your mine? Like it? Oh,
Here, bud.
yay! Yay!
Stefan, how did you get it on your back?
What? Sticky!
It's sticking.
Where
Oh
is
no, it's got a towel on it.
Don't bam!
Oh no.
Me?
Yep.
Ah!
Oh no, it's sticky everywhere. It's bleeding.
Into hers.
No! Boom boom! What? Like sparkle down?
Yep.
Okay.
Look, Stefan.
Wait. Or not.
Or not.
Oh. No. I'm gonna put sparkles on this one.
Slime is messy business.
What the?
Sparkles.
Whoa, show the
It's
camera.
getting small. Either we're losing it or it's getting smaller.
What the? Not yours, unicorn.
Now yours is a unicorn.
Now I'm gonna touch yours.
Guess there's glue in mine.
Flubber.
Okay, touch it.
And now peek.
Oh, fine.
Fill it.
This sparkles on it. Now Stefan said pink. Stefan has pink hair.
They have all the colors.
Oh no! Stefan's sticking up. Look at mine. Look at Stefan. You're sticking up my mouth. Whoa.
Now look at mine.
Whoa, like blue. Goodbye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
watching.
Thank you for watching this video.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Goodbye. So then also play a slimy.
My slime train.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
And stay tuned for the next video. And then go like this to the screen.